Need help signing up for electronic billing and AutoPay? Registering for electronic billing and AutoPay, also known as AutoPay and EcoSave, is easy and comes with many benefits, including a discount. To sign up, go to breezeline.com and click Pay My Bill. Enter your zip code. If you've already registered for an online Breezeline account, enter your username and password and log in. If you haven't registered for an online Breezeline account, enter your account number and click Continue. Follow the prompts to register. You will be automatically enrolled in paperless billing during your registration. Next, click Sign Up next to Billing Preferences. Enter your auto payment information and click Continue. You are now signed up for AutoPay and EcoSave. Remember, changes to your payment method can take up to 45 days. Please make sure your payments are up to date during this time. If you have any questions or need more help, please visit breezeline.com/support.